Corporate governance advisors versus company secretarial firms. Which one is better for listed companies? Most board members get this wrong. They assume that compliance with basic company law is enough to maintain investor confidence. The surprising truth is that corporate governance is not just about ticking boxes. It's about strategic oversight, risk management, and sustaining market trust. Company secretarial firms focus on statutory compliance. They handle board meetings, maintain registers, file regulatory documents, and ensure adherence to listing rules. For example, a listed company can rely on secretarial services to prepare accurate minutes, lodge annual returns, and comply with disclosure obligations under securities law. Corporate governance advisors go a step further. They evaluate board structures, review risk management frameworks, advise on executive remuneration policies, and provide strategic guidance to improve governance standards. A governance advisor might recommend board diversification strategies or design internal controls that enhance transparency and investor confidence. The key difference is clear: secretarial firms manage compliance, while governance advisors enhance effectiveness and credibility. Listed companies benefit most from integrating both. Secretarial services ensure regulatory obligations are met, while governance advisors help the board make better decisions, manage risks, and strengthen stakeholder trust. The takeaway is simple: relying solely on secretarial services may satisfy regulators, but leaves strategic gaps, while focusing only on advisory input without compliance support risks legal penalties. The surprising truth is that companies combining both achieve stronger governance, reduce risk, and improved market reputation. For any listed company, aligning compliance with strategic governance is not optional, it's critical for long-term sustainability and investor confidence.